The network got a full list of iPhone SE2 features. The company is already preparing a budget iPhone. The network has information about the iPhone SE2 smartphone. Leaks were shared by TFI Securities analyst Min-Chi Kuo. It seems that the smartphone really will appeal to the public, and that's why. According to him, Apple plans to launch mass production of the gadget in January 2020. True, they will be able to present it already in the spring of 2020. According to published information, the budget iPhone will receive a 4.7-inch LCD display without 3D touch, an Apple A13 Bionic processor, as in the iPhone 11, 3GB of LPDDR4X RAM, 64GB or 128GB of internal memory, a home button with Touch ID, the main and a front camera of 12 megapixels. It seems that the company decided to return the button to the smartphone, which will surely appeal to fans of old and legendary iPhones. It is assumed that Apple will name the new smartphone iPhone 8 or iPhone 9. Prior to this, Kuo said that the announcement of a new budget smartphone will take place in late March 2020. Estimated cost: $399 to $449.